Following on from the last video, this one really looks at how to make the spreadsheet look more professional, what we call formatting. So in this particular example here, all I'm going to do is put a title across the top. I'm going to put some borders in and fill some of the cells. So how to actually get a title in here, because this has gone right up in row 1 and I actually want to put a title in row 1. So all I'm going to do is click where the 1 is here and then right click and go insert, and that inserts a row there. But you have to be clicked on the 1. You can do the same on a column to insert a column, but I don't want to insert a column. Okay, so this is just simple not D function, functions and formulas, or formulae you can also call it. I'm then going to highlight across all of this here. Okay, I might go a little bit further. Actually, I might insert a column there. So I'll insert a column there, just a thin column there, and I want to go across there and across there. So I want to go from A to E column, and I want it to go across there. I'm going to do what's called merge and center. That means now that there's one cell there. So A1 goes right across A to E. There is no B, 1C, 1D, 1E1. It's all in A1. And because it's merge and center, it actually puts the text in the middle of that particular set of columns. So I'm now going to fill that black, and then I'm going to make the text white like that. So I did that black up here and made the text white. And then I'm going to put a border around the whole thing. So I'll highlight across it here, and up here is where the borders are. I'll put a thick outside border around it like that. That puts a border around everything. I'm also going to put a little line on the top of that one, a top border on that, just to make that stand out a bit there. So that gives you some idea of simple functions and formulas, or gives you an idea of formatting of simple functions and formulas.